Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're cruising right along with our Christmas spectacular. And today we have roasted potatoes with tarragon. All right, basically here you have 2.5 pounds of those little yellow or little red potatoes. You can get them in any supermarket, or 4 medium potatoes cut up into 1-inch pieces. Will do just fine. But what you want to do is place a tablespoon of olive oil in a bowl, a teaspoon of tarragon, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of dried basil, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. There is a reason why you want to do this in a bowl with a lid. I'll show it to you in a minute. If you don't have that, then just add it to a Ziploc bag and shake it around in that. And then you want to pop the lid on and just shake the potatoes around until they're coated. And by the way, at some point, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now, line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and basically just dump the potatoes on there, spread them all around, and then you're going to want to bake them for 20 minutes. Then pull out the tray, flip the potatoes, and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so after the basically 40 minutes of cooking time, they should look something like this, and these were absolutely delicious. So, if you're looking for a perfect side to impress the family, give these a shot. So that's roasted potatoes with tarragon. Done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, because only about 20% of the viewers are subscribed. Come on, click that little button. And if you don't want to, that's cool too. I just hope you enjoyed the show. Anyway, roasted potatoes with tarragon, done.